Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic tiramisu. To begin, in a small mixing bowl, add in 1.5 cups of espresso or a strong coffee, followed by 3 tablespoons of dark rum. Give that a quick mix. Now, quickly dip the ladyfingers in the coffee in and out about 2 seconds per side. We are using 40 ladyfingers in this recipe. Dip in the coffee one at a time and do it quickly. Then arrange in a single layer in the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Once you have laid out the first layer, set the baking dish aside. In another mixing bowl, combine 6 egg yolks and 3/4 cup of sugar. Go ahead and whisk until incorporated. Now place over steam on a saucepan with simmering water. Whisk for about 9 to 10 minutes until the mixture is lighter in color and slightly thickened. You know that it's done once all the granulated sugar has been dissolved. Remove from the heat and set it aside and let it cool off. Now in another mixing bowl, add in 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese, followed by 3 tablespoons of dark rum. Using a hand mixer, mix until incorporated. Then add in the warm egg yolk mixture. Then mix until well incorporated. Once incorporated, set it aside. In another mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of cold, heavy cream. Now whip the cream for about 3 to 4 minutes or until medium peaks have formed. Now, using a spatula, fold in half of the heavy whipped cream with the mascarpone mixture. Then add in the remaining whipped cream and fold just until combined. Spread half of the cream over the ladyfingers. Use a spatula to spread it out and even it out. Then dip in the coffee the rest of the ladyfingers and lay them out on a single layer over the cream. Pour the rest of the cream mixture on top. And once again, with a spatula, spread it out and even it out. Then cover the whole thing with plastic wrap. Now transfer to the fridge for at least 6 hours or preferably overnight. And the next day, take it out the fridge and remove the plastic wrap. Now dust the top layer with cocoa powder, just like so. Clean the edges of your baking dish for a cleaner presentation. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, a classic tiramisu. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching! Bye!